Hi friends, welcome to my channel KTA Train. Today we gonna see that how to create a card by using the desk, and I just uploaded the data which we see in the right side in data column, and this is a visualization column. We can use by using these visuals we can create the different types of reports. So let's create a card. How to begin our work on this? Just click on this card and just drag or select or drag this sales, and we'll see the total sales of the cards. So here what is meant by a card? A card is nothing but a single metrics that how much sales has happened on this year, or else we can say by filtering the quarters and all the stuff. Now we can do this format by using this format button. Click on this and we can go to the general and we can add the title what we want. Just click on this, just type total sales. And we can just select this comics. If you want bold, you can use as bold, and we can just click on this. We can to get a central, and we can increase the font size as well. And if you want to remove this, just click on this. It will hide the label, the column category label. And if we can hide on this title, just click on this, just click on title. Color we can use, we can change the color as well here. Okay, thank you guys, and we'll see on going further. We will having a different visualizations and how to get the data from the local monitor, and gonna see the different types of visuals in going further. Thank you so much.